Before you pay for a used car, stop. The car may look clean and perfect from the outside, but a mechanic can spot expensive problems within minutes, and these are 5 things you should check too. 1. Check the engine. Before starting it. This is one of the most important tricks. When inspecting a used car, try to see the engine while it's cold before starting it. Why? Because some problems are easier to notice during a cold start. Ask the seller not to start the car before you arrive. Then open the hood, check the oil level and look for obvious fluid leaks around the engine. And don't only look at the top. Look underneath as well. If you see fresh oil marks or fluid pooling, don't ignore it. It could be something minor, but it could also be the beginning of an expensive repair. 2. Check the engine oil. Now check the dipstick if the vehicle has one. Pull it out, wipe it clean, put it back in, and remove it again. Look at the oil. But here's something important. Oil color alone does not tell you whether an engine is healthy. Engine oil naturally gets darker as it is used. However, unusual sludge or contamination can be a reason to have the engine professionally inspected. And remember, never touch hot engine components with your bare hands. 3. Check the tires. They can tell you a story. Now look at the tires. Don't just ask, does the tread look good? Look at the wear pattern. Is the wear even? Or is one edge much more worn than the other? Uneven tire wear can be caused by incorrect wheel alignment, suspension problems, or other issues that need inspection. And check the tire's manufacturing date too, because a tire can look almost new while actually being several years old. 4. Start the car and listen before turning on the music. This is where many buyers make a mistake. They get inside, turn on the radio, then test the air conditioning. Don't do that. First, turn everything off. Listen to the engine. Does it sound smooth and stable? Do you hear unusual metallic noises? Is there excessive vibration? Don't diagnose a mechanical problem from one sound alone, but any unusual noise deserves further investigation. 5. Test the transmission the right way. If it's an automatic car, don't just drive it for 1 minute. Pay attention when shifting between P to R to N to D. The transitions should generally be smooth, without unusual delays or harsh engagement. Then, drive the car. Pay attention to the gear changes. Are they smooth? Or do you feel harsh shifts, delays, or obvious slipping? Those are reasons to get the transmission professionally inspected before buying. And here's the golden rule. Don't buy a used car because you like how it looks. Buy it after you verify its condition, and whenever possible, have an independent mechanic inspect the vehicle before you pay, especially when you're making a major purchase. Ending. Now tell me, if you were buying a used car tomorrow, what would you check first? The engine, the tires, the transmission? Drop your answer in the comments, and follow the best car. Because next episode will show you how to spot signs that a used car may have been seriously damaged in an accident before you buy it.